politics over the Mahakumbh is what we are picking up. Akhilesh Yadav versus BJP over Kumbh. Rages on. Yadav alleges BJP government failed in the Kumbh preparations. Akhilesh says polls without buyers in Prayagraj. Deputy Chief Minister lauding the arrangement by the BJP government reminds Akhilesh Yadav about the tragedy from the year 2013, essentially when the BJP wasn't in power. Samar Srivastava getting in more detail. Samar, this was but expected. The tragedy from 2013 here being invoked by the BJP, reminding Yadav of his government's failures at that point in time.
Well, exactly. BJP wants to gain momentum with this particular thing because what happened in 2013, Mahakumbh, during that time, Azam Khan was given the responsibility of handling the entire Mahakumbh, and that this particular thing happened near the railway station of Prayagraj. Though at that time, Azam Khan clearly said that it has nothing to do with Mahakumbh, and that particular thing happened around the railway station. But BJP is also taking on the Samajwadi Party using this particular issue. Also, it's worth mentioning here that SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav on Wednesday accused the UP government of mismanagement and delayed security arrangements at the mega religious event Mahakumbh, which is set to take place in January 2025 in Prayagraj. Flagging issues regarding security arrangements, local concerns and overall administration in Prayagraj, the SP chief shared a video on X and requested the government to take immediate corrective action. He even wrote that this is the truth of preparations of Prayagraj Mahakumbh under the BJP government. At least the work of the police department should have been completed long ago, because the management of the security circle does not wait for the last day. Though the administration swung into action after that particular post on X and clearly started working there. Thereafter, Akhilesh again tweeted and clearly said that this is the role of opposition of raising such issues, and they welcome the administration's efforts to taking cognizance of this particular X post. But if you talk about the politics, yes, Mahakumbh has become a tour of politics for both the parties. At one hand, SP is taking on the BJP about the arrangements, whilst BJP is clearly talking about the 2013 mishappening that happened during the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh when Akhilesh Yadav government was there. So that's what both parties are training guns at each other. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Samarth getting us up to speed with those details as far as the politics over Mahakumbh there is concerned. Politics engulfing Mahakumbh Mela 2025, a fierce political war of words has erupted between Samajwadi Party and the BJP over the approaching Mahakumbh Mela 2025. Stated to be held in UP's Prayagraj. Sharpening its attacks, BJP has blamed Yadav-led Samajwadi Party and their previous government of poor arrangements during 2013 Earth Kumbh Mela held in Prayagraj. BJP further went on to say that the responsibility of Kumbh Mela was given to Azam Khan in 2013 and that many devotees died due to an incident that took place. This after Samajwadi Party chief accused the UP government of mismanagement and delayed security arrangements at the mega religious event Mahakumbh, set to take place in January 2025 in Prayagraj.
श्री अखिलेश यादव जी के बारे में मैं यही कहूंगा, सूप बोले तो बोले, चलनी ना बोले। जब वह उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री थे, उस समय भी 2013 में प्रयागराज का कुंभ हुआ था। उन्होंने कुंभ मेले की बागडोर अपने चाचा मोहम्मद आजम खां को सौंप दी थी और कुंभ मेले में दुर्घटना हुई। कई कुंभ यात्री हमारे मारे गए। इतनी अव्यवस्था मैं भी बहुत लंबे समय से प्रयागराज के कुंभ हो, मांग मेला हो, देखता रहा हूं। ऐसी अव्यवस्था कभी नहीं हुई जैसी अव्यवस्था श्री अखिलेश यादव जी के शासनकाल में हुई।
लोग आएंगे, देखें कितना बढ़िया प्रबंध है। इनको क्या कि बिना बात के राजनीतिक टीका टिप्पणी करने की आदत है। पिछली बार भी जब महाकुंभ हुआ था तब भी लोगों ने खूब भरपूर आनंद दिया था और लोगों ने, संतों ने खूब आशीर्वाद दिया था। इस बार भी बहुत अच्छा प्रबंध होगा।
केशव मौर्य जी जो आरोप लगा रहे हैं, केशव जी तो वहीं के हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि आपकी सरकार की 2017 से 24 का दौर है, हमारे खिलाफ आप अदालत में चले गए होते। जो सरकार 24 घंटे सनातन की हिंदू परंपरा की बात करती है, तारीख में तो यही लिखा गया है कि एक मुसलमान आजम खान ने गंगा जी में पानी नहीं उतरने दिया गंदा, और एक हिंदुत्व का नाम लेने वाली सरकार ने एनजीटी से बोर्ड लगवाने का आदेश एनजीटी ने दिया कि डीएम साहब बोर्ड लगाओ। ये बोर्ड भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कुशासन माथे पर कलंक है।